Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you about our Machenike G6V2 controller. How to using the switch Bluetooth mode to connect our PC. Okay, flip the mode switch on the back of the controller to NS mode. Let's press and hold one of the pairing buttons above. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Okay, our controller power on indicator light flashes. Now we find our Bluetooth. Click Add Device. Bluetooth. At this point, we see a device called Pro Controller. Okay, let's click Connect. Okay, controller indicator light. You can see that it has become a constant light from flash mob to always on. After this time, our controller is already connected to the computer. As you can see, take a look on Steam. Seeing is already a normal situation. In this way, the connection is successful.